Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. You peoples are demanding for an editing tutorial, so today I have make one of them. Follow every step to learn how I make my videos. Firstly, open CapCut, then add your clips. Then, do the aspect ratio to 1:1. After doing the 1:1 ratio, delete the ending. Now, go to sound and click on extract and add your music. After adding your music, adjust it according to your clips. After adjusting the music, set the sound of all clips to be 0. Then zoom all the clips. Then, cut the clips. When the music beats come, apply in all the clips and adjust them. As you can see the results.
What's up, everybody? This is Topoton.
Then go to animation and add fade in. Search fade in and click on apply. Now click on tick button. Add fade in all clips before getting beat sound clips. Then come to main clips. Go to animation and search unfold. After getting unfold animation, click on apply button. Set the timing to be 0.4 second. Then apply unfold animation to all the clips. Timing 0.4 or 0.3 seconds. Then at the last clip, go to animation, go to out section and search fade out. Then apply it to last clip with 0.5 seconds. After adding animation to all clips, click on overlay and add your watermark. Click on add button, then click on your watermark and freeze it. Then delete the unfreeze clip. After all, go to splice and select transparent overlay. Now go to remove background and remove the green background. Delete the remaining watermark. Now, adjust your watermark according to you. Now go to animation and search slide right. Set its timing to 2.3 seconds. Now go to text and type your text. Use fonts elegant. Adjust your text according to your video. Now go to animation and select fade in. Apply it to both text. Enter your second text. Repeat the same process. Now go to adjust and use sharpen 100 clarity 100. Apply it to whole short. Now everything is ready to export. Resolution 1080p. Frame rate 60. Bitrate Mbps 100. Wait for results.
Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Chopotão.
If you want more tutorial like this, then comment your idea. Thanks for watching.